Our lesson for today is to learn how to make a model like this. A model like this. Hello dear students. To make our model, we should just click on 3D shapes like this and then select the sphere, this one, and then let's make it like this. We can also change the color. You can select any color you want by moving the mouse and click on this one and then select any color you want. For example, me here, I'm gonna select the red color. Okay. Now I don't need this white page. I don't need it. I want to make it hide. So I will click here and click on this one, and now it's hidden like this. Okay. Now it's time to make the eyes of my model. I'm gonna select the 3D shapes one more time and select the sphere one more time and then make small sphere here like this. Okay, like this. I can copy it from this one and paste it and make it one more time here like this. Okay, now I can move, or I can control the sphere by moving like this here, and also I can select this one and move it from this one and here. I think now it's better. Okay, now I'm gonna select the sphere one more time. I'm gonna make one small sphere here, but I'm gonna change the color. I select this one and change the color to black. Okay. Then I will select it with the left click of the mouse and click here, copy and paste it. Then I move it and put it here like this. Okay, now I have the eyes. Now it's time to make the mouth. And to make the mouth, I'm gonna select the stickers from here and select any mouth I want. For example, me here, I'm gonna select this one and I'm gonna draw it here like this. Okay, now it's perfect, I think. Okay, now this is something very important. I need to make this sticker to be 3D so I can move it anywhere I want. So I will click here while selecting on the sticker. I will click here and make 3D. Now it's 3D. So if I clicked here in the 3D view, I can control it and make it like this here, for example. Now it will be better. Okay, now if I selected all of this, I'm gonna find that my mouth is like this. Okay, okay. Now let's make the nose. To make the nose, I'm gonna click here on the stickers and select this nose. For example, I can select any nose I want. I can select this one, for example, and I'm gonna make it like this. Now this is the nose, and also I'll make it 3D like this. Now let's see. I can control it and make it like this, like this. Yes. And also the mouth, I can make it like this. Now I think it's ready. Now it's time to make arms for it. To make the arm, I'm gonna click on the 3D shapes and select this tool, the doodle tool, this one. And I'm gonna make any shape of the hand I want. For example, I'm gonna make it like this, like this. Now it's ready. Okay. And click on it, copy, paste, and then rotate it like this from this tool and make it, for example, like this. And I'm gonna put it here. So I made the hands. Now, is it correct? No. I will select on the 3D view and I can control it like this. I can also move it like this or any position I want. Okay, the same for the next one or the second one. I can make it like this. I can also make it closer. Now I think it's good. Okay, now it's time to make the hand. To make the hand, I don't know how to draw a hand, so it's easy. I can click on the 3D library here, can you see it? And then I will search here for hand. I will write the word hand and press enter. Now I will find many kinds of hands. I think this one is good, so I'm gonna click on it like this. It will take a while, so let's now make it smaller and rotate it. Okay, and I can make it like this here. Okay, and make it smaller and like this. Okay, click here to make it close to the shape. Okay, you can make it like this, make it close to the shape. I think now it's good. Yes, now copy the hand, select it and copy and paste, and then make a copy and rotate it from this one to be like this, because this is the left hand. It should be like this. Click here, and I think now it's ready. Yes, now I've made the hands of my model. Now it's time to what? Let's see. Can you see this one? When you click on this one, if you're working on your laptop, you can find this one here. It's called mixed reality. When I click here, yes, now I can see my model here on the screen. Can you see it? If I double click on the model, I can now put it here or anywhere I want. Okay, now I can move it with my hands. Can you see this? Okay, now if you want to take a photo with your model, you can do so. So, can you see this one? If I clicked here, now let's take a selfie with my model. Okay, now my photo is ready. If you find this lesson useful, I can't wait for you to make something like this. Thank you so much, Halween, and see you next time.